A solar eclipse is one of the most awe-inspiring natural phenomena captivating people for centuries. This celestial event occurs when the moon moves directly between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow that blocks sunlight from reaching certain parts of the Earth. Depending on the alignment and distances involved, solar eclipses can vary in appearance and intensity, creating moments of breathtaking beauty and scientific intrigue. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of solar eclipses. Here are 10 key facts that explain the science, history, and cultural significance of these extraordinary events. 1. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon's orbit aligns perfectly with the sun and Earth, causing the moon to block the sun's light from reaching specific areas of the Earth. The shadow created by the moon has two distinct parts: the umbra, where the sun is completely obscured, and the penumbra, where only part of the sun is blocked. There are three main types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. Each type depends on the relative distances between the Earth, moon, and sun, as well as the position of the observer. 2. Total solar eclipses are rare but spectacular. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, leaving only the sun's outer atmosphere or corona visible. This creates an eerie twilight effect during the day, captivating observers with its otherworldly beauty. Total solar eclipses are rare for any given location on Earth, happening roughly once every 375 years on average. However, they occur somewhere on Earth approximately every 18 months, making them a global phenomenon worth chasing. 3. The path of totality is key. The path of totality refers to the narrow strip of Earth where the total solar eclipse is visible. This path can be as wide as 100 miles and stretches thousands of miles across the Earth's surface. Observers outside this path will only see a partial eclipse, where the moon covers part of the sun. The duration of totality, or the time when the sun is completely obscured, typically lasts only a few minutes. The longest total solar eclipse can last up to 7.5 minutes, but most are much shorter. 4. Annular solar eclipses create a ring of fire. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly in front of the sun but appears smaller due to its distance from Earth. This leaves a bright ring of sunlight, often called a ring of fire, visible around the moon. Annular eclipses are visually striking and occur when the moon is near its farthest point, apogee, in its elliptical orbit. This makes the moon too small to cover the sun entirely, resulting in the dazzling ring effect. 5. Partial solar eclipses are more common. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon only covers a portion of the sun's disk, creating a crescent-shaped sun in the sky. Unlike total or annular eclipses, partial eclipses can be seen from a much larger area on Earth. Although they lack the dramatic effects of totality, partial eclipses are still incredible sights that attract skywatchers worldwide. Proper eye protection is essential to safely view these events. 6. Eclipse seasons occur twice a year. Solar eclipses don't happen every month because the moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees relative to the Earth's orbit around the sun. For an eclipse to occur, the sun, moon, and Earth must align perfectly, which only happens during eclipse seasons. Eclipse seasons occur approximately every 6 months, during which both solar and lunar eclipses can take place. However, not every eclipse season includes a total solar eclipse. 7. Ancient cultures feared solar eclipses. For much of human history, solar eclipses were viewed with fear and superstition. Many ancient cultures believed eclipses were omens of disaster or signs of anger from the gods. For example, the ancient Chinese thought a dragon was devouring the sun during an eclipse, while the Vikings believed wolves were chasing the sun and moon. These events often led to rituals and sacrifices to appease deities and restore sunlight. 8. Eclipses have scientific importance. Solar eclipses have played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of astronomy. One of the most famous examples occurred during the total solar eclipse of 1919, which provided evidence for Einstein's theory of general relativity. Scientists observed the bending of starlight near the sun's edge, confirming that massive objects like the sun could warp spacetime. Today, solar eclipses continue to offer opportunities to study the sun's corona and other celestial phenomena. 9. Safety is crucial when viewing eclipses. Looking directly at the sun during a solar eclipse can cause serious eye damage or blindness. To safely observe an eclipse, viewers must use specialized solar viewing glasses or filters that block harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation. For those without access to protective equipment, creating a pinhole projector or watching the eclipse indirectly are safe alternatives. Proper precautions are essential for enjoying this awe-inspiring event without risk. 10. The next great eclipses to watch. If you missed the last major eclipse, don't worry, there are always more to come. In 2024, a total solar eclipse will sweep across North America, offering millions of people a chance to witness totality. Following that, 2025 will feature several partial and annular eclipses visible from various parts of the world. Chasing eclipses has become a popular activity among enthusiasts, with people traveling thousands of miles to experience totality. Whether it's your first eclipse or you're a seasoned observer, these celestial events never fail to inspire wonder and amazement. Conclusion: solar eclipses are among the most captivating spectacles in nature, blending beauty, science, and cultural significance. From the rare total eclipses that plunge areas of Earth into temporary darkness to the dazzling annular eclipses with their rings of fire, these events continue to fascinate humanity. If you're planning to witness a solar eclipse, make sure to prepare with the proper safety equipment and enjoy the experience responsibly. Let us know in the comments if you've ever seen a solar eclipse and what it meant to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our universe. Stay tuned for more celestial wonders.